So you just start or you doing blacksmithing right now?
For 2 years, we are a sharpener, a knife sharpening.
Oh, I see. But right now you try to
Yes.
knife making yourself by forging.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, so please come.
Nice to meet you. Jake.
Nabil.
Nabil, nice to meet you.
Hey,
Hi.
Muis.
Lewis, nice to meet you.
Muis. Yeah.
Nice to meet you. We're also doing a course.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello.
My name's Jesse.
Jesse.
Yep, Jesse.
Nabil.
Nabil?
Zul.
Muis.
Maurice.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you guys.
Hi, I'm Isabella.
Hello.
Taking a course as well?
Yes.
How long you guys been here?
Here we came on Sunday, and then we had our first day yesterday, and then today, and then we got tomorrow and we leave. So we have 3 days.
3-day course.
We're just going to try to touch it up.
Boleh hobat.
InsyaAllah kalau ada jumpa semua kita.
How long did your travel take from Brunei?
2 days.
2 days, yeah.
You guys must be very tired.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I think so.
Coffee will help.
Maybe you'll have to sleep at some point. Rest.
Yeah, especially.
The long bus ride actually did help a
Did
bit.
it help? Okay.
Did you get an overnight bus? You had an overnight bus last night?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Whoa.
That was like from what? 10, almost 11 p.m. And then we got here about
5 plus.
No, 6.
Nobuya Sensei's already been working hard outside
Yeah.
doing the charcoal.
Yeah, already almost
Almost half, wow.
Yeah, half finished. Yeah. But we have still 8 bucks we have to cut. Please help.
What do you think, Joseph?
Yeah.
So it took me a while to learn to walk.
Hey. I know. Very dusty. Okay, please wash your hand. Thank you very much. Hey.
Oh, betul Yaman.
So this clay I already saw little wet by water, little soft by water. So this and this, so you can say push by your foot. Here it is everywhere, especially corner. Here. Okay. Everywhere. Okay, thank you very much. Maybe it's good enough. Yep, so please make like this.
It's as big as a softball.
Yeah, kind of softball.
Dek, apa? Dragon egg. Shape of the bill.
Okay, yes, please try. I will use this.
Looks so weird, Bill. From here. What are you trying to do?
Okay, dah. Okay.
Up. Down. Sorry.
Yeah, my side is good. Ready? Okay, you can go. Okay, go inside. Oh, carefully, quickly. Okay, go.
My eyes.
My eyes are burning.
Ya, my wife tuh nagol ka na. Mana Google mo?